Hi, welcome to TrafficGuard mobile app early adopter program. We're excited to have you on board as we launch the early adopter program to help mobile app marketers like you connect to mobile ad network partners to turbocharge your user acquisition strategy with clean advertising traffic, generating real installs and purchases from real consumers. Here at TrafficGuard, we provide our anti-fraud technology to some of the world's leading unicorn mobile apps so they can drive real and genuine installs and purchases from hundreds of mobile ad networks around the world. What all of these apps have in common is that they don't rely solely on Facebook and Google UAC. They're able to extend their reach, accelerate growth, reduce CAC, and drive LTV by using ad networks in conjunction with our unique mobile app click-level fraud prevention software in place. With this unique solution, TrafficGuard integrates directly with mobile ad networks and ensures only valid and real clicks from real users are sent to NMP for attribution. What does this mean for our mobile app clients? They pay solely for genuine installs and conversion, eliminating wasteful ad spending. Not only that, but the mobile ad networks themselves can proactively weed out fraud and optimize their traffic to drive even greater growth. To give you an idea, the average CPIs for apps varies between 93 cents to $5.28 between different markets globally. With click-level prevention software in place, we see an average of 34% reduction in CPI for our customer. We've heard from countless app developers seeking to pursue this path. However, they often lack direct ad network connection, feared fraud risks, or felt unsure where to begin with. That's why we are thrilled to launch our early adopter program designed to provide a seamless and worry-free experience. This program offers incredible benefit and opportunity. Let's dive in and explore the possibility together. The exciting part is that we are giving 100 mobile apps the full TrafficGuard white glove service to guide them every step of the way, from connecting to mobile ad networks around the world to setting up full funnel tracking with fraud detection and prevention in place, from click to the install to unlocking more and more growth. Now you can benefit from following the user acquisition strategies of the world-leading apps and connecting to the hundreds of mobile ad networks that are driving their growth in a clean, safe, and cost-efficient way. So what are you waiting for? For $1,500 a month, you can start unlocking the user acquisition growth strategy that unicorn apps around the world rely on. Contact TrafficGuard today and we will get a flexible plan in place for you to get started right away.